What if you want to add some sort of reasoning, not reasoning, but some sort of conditions, right? So this is one condition where we will be using conditional function in DAX for the calculated columns. Okay, so right now we have this one sheet, which is this building. So first condition, we will be using it as the has basement condition, right? No or yes. So I will be adding one more new column, calculated column, where I will add has basement, right? I will name this as has basement. So in this we will do one condition, and we will use if. In logic test, we will say that floor above ground or below ground, right? So I will name it as if building id, sorry, if building below ground, building floors below ground is greater than 0, right? And then return me yes, else return me no. If I click enter, then if you see floors below ground, where there is 0 there is no, where there is 1 2 3 4 5 6 there is yes. So to test this, if we are getting somewhere accurate or not, so what I will do, I will take this has basement column here, yes and no, and then I will take building name, let's say count of buildings names. So I will take it as count, right? So in our equation we have two no's and 91 yes. So two no and 91 yes. So we are doing accurate. Now there is one more column where we will call our new column as century, in which if the function to show the century in which the building was opened, right? A building which opened before 2001 belongs to 20th century, and after that this. So what we will be doing, we will be adding one more column. So, and do we have dates here? Yes, year open, right? So we can name it as century, right? And then we will use this if situation again. If year open is less than what, 2000 or 2001? 2001, then it should give me 20th century, right? Else it should give me 21st century, right? So now it's giving me this, and if I just take one more table and put it as centuries, and I put a building name and put a count here, then I will get so here we are not having count of the building as the 20th century or something. But yeah, average total floor we can put it here in the centuries, average of total floors. So I have not added this average height m, so I can take this average, it's 3857.76 and 421 for 21st century. So that's right? And now it's saying that create a calculated column called size, which uses switch function to assign each building a category according to the table. So see guys, this is the most important calculated columns where we will be using a switch function, right? So how to do it? Let's show this. So we will add one more new column called size, and then we will use switch function and expression. So what's our, so we will be using height, right? height M column. So switch height M less than 400. So I forgot to use true here. We always use, when we use this switch function, we always use true function with this. And here we will mention that if uh, so values is height is less than 400, then we will name it as tiny, right? Then result tiny. And if height is less than 500, we will name it to small. And height is less than 600, medium. Less than 700, it's big. And else, which is let's say 700 or more than, we can name it as massive, right? And if I just click enter, so we will create one more column called size to look for the result if we are getting accurate values or not. I will take this size in a column, and then I will take a building name and the count of the building name in the column just to check if we are getting accurate values or not. So right now we do have 93 total sizes of the building, and if we look into the data, tiny we have 52. The most is with the tiny, and then small 30, and then medium 7. So this is how you use switch and the conditions in creating new calculate columns. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.